Fast electrics. Two club members have lost to the World Championships. Not sure when that is. You get an odd bite like that and it flicks it to one side. Not sure why they do that. Yeah, it could go on us. And they're self-righting these as well. They have a float chamber on one side. I think it's usually on the left, so it fills with water. There it goes to the top, yes. Wait for it to come back round and then you get the power on again. It's not very settled, but you'll get there. Fine tuning. Darlington Model District Boat Club. We have a fast electric section and a slow section. Fast electric are these little speedboats. Bigger speedboats, yeah, I've got one, SR90. And we have the sailing club, sailing section. Slow boats and the sails and tugboats and slow powered electric craft. It's all good fun. This one we're seeing now is a bit of a specialised boat. It's competition spec race stuff. Carbon fibre hull, brushless motors, LiPo batteries, steel propellers, steel rudder and all the gubbins on the back, trim tabs.